Hey cousins, what's up? Wagwan. Welcome back to another video. If you're here for the first time, my name is Alicia, and did I say my name right? My name is Alicia. If you're here for the first time, welcome. Thank you for coming. Please to subscribe if you like this particular content. And yes, so today I have a little unboxing of a shoes that I bought. I've worn the shoes once. I've it for some months now, probably 2 months now, and mega act like I first time here. Open the box. Yes. So let me go ahead and open. So it's a regular box, and you just lift it like this and it's off. So it's a black shoes. It's in the size 38. So that's what, size 7, size 8, I'm not sure. So as I said before, the color is black. It's a size 38, I guess 38, I don't know. So this is what it's looking like, and this is the shoes, and it's a wedge heel. I love wedge heel, but then I used to wear a lot of wedge, so it is nothing strange to me. I go and I got myself a wedge heel, and I'm going to post the picture right here with me in the heels. So let me go ahead and take out the first pair, the first foot. What am I saying? So this is what the shoes is looking like. Me not tell lie, people. Me love wedge heel. Me love wedge heel. No matter what kind of wedge heel, I love it. And I think this is the cutest, and it's really easy to walk in. I love the shoes. I love the shoes. And this here, you can go ahead and pull it and adjust the straps. So if it's too free on your foot, you can go ahead and tighten it, or if it's too slack, you can go ahead vice versa. You know what I'm talking about. So yes, this is what the bottom is looking like. And I don't know, I think some persons wear heel to the beach. This would be nice with a straw hat and a long dress. What you think? Because my dressing is very weird, you know. So this would be nice to wear on the beach side. You're going to Mexico, you could wear this pretty little shoes. I love it, and it fit me so perfectly. It was made for me. And around here is some little, I don't know the material, but it's like some straw knitting thingy magic at the front. I love it. So let me show you the other foot. And I've only wear the shoes once, guys, and I love the shoes so much. Can I say shoes or slippers or wedge? I love these pair of wedge so much. I think they are my favorite, and I will be wearing them everywhere. When I say everywhere, I mean everywhere. Look at these, and it is very easy to manage. Very easy to manage. So I think that is a plus. So the day that I went in this particular store to get some shoes, I saw the white one to these. The white one, I had my eyes on the white one. As I stepped in the store, it was the white one that caught my eyes. But unfortunately, they did not have my size. So I was to settle for the black one. And I think I'm going back for the white one. Yes, because these shoes are my where shall I go? I'll be wearing them everywhere. They are so cute. Easy to walk in. Easy to walk in. Beautiful. And as I said, the straps are adjustable, so you can adjust it to your liking. The heels are very but that word, you can manage them. Yes, manageable, that is the word. Yes, and it's very very comfy, and I like the shoes so much, and I only wear it once, and I got it probably 2 months ago, as I said before. Say yes, these are my favorite shoes that I bought, and guess what, the price is very affordable. The price for these shoes is very affordable. I wonder if me alone like the shoes. I wonder if I don't like it. Once me like it, that is all that matter. But me just a show no, cause me like it so much. So me just a show no. Thumbnail. Yes, so these are the cutest little shoes. I love it, love it. So this is all that I came on here to show you, my beautiful pair of wedge that I bought, and I really love them. Hope you like them. If you like them, you can go ahead and give me a heart in the comment section. Leave a heart in the comment section if you like the shoes. If you do not like them, give me a thumbs down. So if you like them, you give me a heart. If you do not like them, give me a thumbs up. Yes, I'll be in the comment section waiting. Alright, cousins, so this is it for today. As I said before, I leave a red heart if you like them, and a thumbs down if you don't like them. And until then, go and big up on yourself. Goodbye.